we've got highest class DBX 707 Aston Martin Neville Foster Red Pro.
Something to say that he's actually harvesting on the brakes, but I'm not quite sure what was going on with that. However, 707, more than 700 horsepower from its V8 engine. As well, the Rimac Nevera.
The lap after lap, one of the most spectacular corners is coming up. We know it's a good one. It's to the left, the nose into the left, and the tail out to the right. That's what he was trying to do. On or further afield, it is the most powerful SUV